Today we're going to do a Get-Apocalypse game. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll have a little tour of our place. So here it is. You can just break through the windows and stuff. And then here's our... And then here's our... So here you can look out the windows and stuff. You can use the left shift button to sprint. And then there's one of the secrets out there. Right over there. Right over there. And there should be... This is like a huge office with a bunch of locked doors. Some janitor closet. Some stairs. It's snowing. There's buildings off in the distance. There are some texts hidden around the entire map. There's some cats. It's cats. What I want to do is kabam. Also thinks that cats can break through windows as well, and so as humans, and rockets like this. I get up here. This is Graffiti Endtown Park. Over here you can see that this place is huge. And there's Peach again. Hey, looks. Somebody is looking at us from up there. Who is that, you may ask? That's another secret. Way up there in the distance. There's Peach again. Oh. Then we go over here. No escape. We can't escape the entire place. But if we try, we're presented with this huge open area, which is actually really huge. And then there's these cats. These giant cats. And then, yeah. And then you roll your head off the edge. And then, oh, there's another cat. Now there's supposed to be some other secrets around. Let's see. Is this the one with the boxes in front of it? No, this is part of the office where there's boxes. Because when there's one with boxes in it, that's the one that... It's one of these ones with the security cameras on it. There's janitor's closet, there's storage, lockers. Now this guy, when he's over here, you do a jump to this area, and then you see the secret over here. But then when you continue along, you see another text over there. When you get to experience this guy on the snow, your face is on the snow. Get your face out of the snow. And then there's like this white truck here. And then you can just jump. And then, whee! Now there's other places. Visit this huge snowy area surrounded by a big open field. Oh yes, this is it. This is the secret room. I believe this is the secret room. Okay, so yes, this is a secret room that will protect you from any type of cat. This ladder is an easy way to get yourself up here. Ow. There's a cat poster right there. Speaking of cats, this place is nearly filled with cats. It's kind of hard to survive. As you can see, there's an invisible wall blocking us to that room. And there's this here. So we're gonna jump out in the window. This cat poster. Give me that sign right there. It means this. It's a thing. Not sure what it really is. And there's the cat poster again. Continue along this area. Go here. Go down. Or you can take the alternate entrance. This is it. This is help. There's a door that's fallen down. And then there's some drinks that you can go through. It's another secret. How much are there now? How much chairs are there now? There's a hostage. Zombie cat. And this is where you get to see the mannequins from Hello Neighbor. And right here, one right here. Okay, this thing right here. It's a little secret that helps you. Oh. Over here is, yes, I remember this area. This office is big. You probably might get lost in it or something. But you can't go over there. But there's an area that you can actually go to. And it's blocked by a fence, but you can go there. Not this. You can absolutely go through that wall right there. I mean, there's probably one right there. Yeah, that one. Get myself inside. Okay, I broke through the window. I should jump over here. Is there anybody here? Then there's another one of those guys. And you can continue. You'll find this secret bendy area. There's a shirt. Yeah, and then there's this. It's a secret here. You can actually, and then you can actually use this, and it deals 10 damage to other players. But if you try it with zombie cats, and that doesn't really do anything. So, whoops, I meant to put it right there. So, oh, I got it back. Don't need the axe right now. This is graffiti again. And the office just surrounded by stuff. Mostly those. Some rooms. Back in here. Nothing really special in a janitor's closet. You can't go in it. There's some things here. And then there's a screen here saying it doesn't do anything. Now watch. This is the update board. This is the updates board, and then when you do this game, see, this is how cool the update board is. You just, boom, explode that part, and then it just, ta-da, here you go. It's your update. And then this cutscene here. It's pretty cool. This is giant white cat with 3 SWAT teams. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, click on the notification bell to join in for notifications so you'll never miss another video.